Hey, how's it going? My name is... Welcome back to Stray Cat Crossing. I love this game. If you haven't watched the other 2 episodes, just go ahead. I bet you have. You're a good bro. Sounds weird to say. Alright, so we're gonna keep playing. Doing good though. Last off, we fed our best friend to a witch. And now what we need to do is go. This might be very confusing, I understand, but we need to talk to this owl. Hoot hoot, what's the time? What will the time be if it needs to be there? Tea time, of course. Of course it's tea time. Now, we will go to the wolves, and we will tell the wolves that the spell is broken. And that way, we can save this man who says that we are ugly. The story makes sense, alright? I promise you. Okay. Hey, wolves. See, each wolf represents each season. It's very romantic.
Back, are you? Did you talk to the Sphinx? Phew, glad as you didn't. Nobody messes with the Sphinx and comes back in pieces. Will you? Yeah, we're here, kid. Look at us now. Sitting pretty in one piece.
Actually, she gave me a scroll to remove your curse.
She did what now? Hey, you did good, kid. I always believed in her. Bullshit! Now set a 3. Ahem. Alright. We'll let the grub go. But only after you set a 3.
I don't know, it should be. I guess. I don't see why I wouldn't trust these assholes. Please don't kill me.
War, famine, pestilence, lands, and death. The 4 horsemen shall pull ye apart and set ye free unto the fate ye deserve. Oh, okay. This is some animal shit going on here. The wolves must know better. Say goodbye to the seasons.
What? What does that mean?
That blasted Sphinx.
Oh, shit!
You did this to us.
Oh my god.
Another chance! Hurry up and get me loose! Sucker!
Oh, for fuck's sake. God damn it. I'm sorry, guys. Can I talk to them?
You did this.
I'm sorry!
That Sphinx. I'll get it if the last thing I'll do.
Fine. Alright, well, we're gonna go. Something is bound to happen. I feel a little weird. Yep. Save. Just. Do I look good now?
You have to leave it. Now, hurry before she comes.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you. Alright, think it's... Oh! Oh, God!
What is that?
Whatever left this cocoon sure made a mess. Oh, God, there's a key inside. If I learn anything from a game is that if there's a key, you better fucking pick it up. Oh, God. That means we can leave now. Oh, God, can we? Please, yes. Cat? Do they see Cat? They say they miss you. What does that mean? Oh, God. Are you Cat? No. That's right, you don't look like Cat at all. Cat, why did you leave? They wanted to hold you. They loved you very much. They loved you very much. Cat, where are you? Well, good talk. I'm gonna bounce. The key fits. Even if you look a little different, I hope that I don't look so different to you. Oh, there she is. You have a lot of explaining to do, lady. Make sure you take good care of it. It's a very important scarf. By the way, what's your name? Yeah, what is my name? I didn't say it? Great. What's your name? My name? What's your name? Oh, I knew it! Nice to meet you, cat. Let's take you home. What? What was that? That was really weird. Need to get that scarf back. I'm fucking well confused. So this is my house. Well. Tell me something.
Picture how it's dead.
Why did I even save? I was hoping she would say something. Alright, there should be footprints. Going upstairs? Yeah, they're going this way. Okay. This is really fucking creepy. Alright, what do we got? The attic. A new area. Oh my god! What is that? Hello? Oh, my scarf! You're giving it to me? Great! Thanks, buddy. Thank you. It's a magical scarf. What? What was that? If you wear it, you'll always be warm and safe. Beautiful! Was that you? Just like when you're with your dear old Benjamin. Who are you? Please remember. Who was that? Okay, we're in a new place. Everyone is here, and they're now showing Stray Cat Crossing. How convenient. What the fuck? The Sphinx. She's so nice, but you look so sad. I ship them now. Benjamin's children put on the strangest place. Benjamin's children. Popcorn, get your popcorn for only 3 pennies. That's a steal, man. Sure. I don't have 3 pennies. Yeah. It's like fucking Pokemon over and over again.
And bird just play stupid.
Oi! I'm the dormouse. F mouse. Bravo. Ain't no bloke getting past me without a ticket. What's that? You ain't got no ticket? Then you ain't getting past the dormouse. Yeah, fucking dormouse. Alright, let's get a ticket. Oh, fuck's sake. Someone is bound to have a ticket here. I don't want to watch Benjamin! Well then. Grr. I don't think he likes me. We can do a save. Maybe she has a... Okay. How are we gonna get in? Okay, we can go back here. Maybe we can find a ticket in one of these caskets. Sebastian. Milton. Alright, let's look if there's a Benjamin. Are they all... There it is. It won't budge, huh? There's a rose inside. Okay. Alright, so we give him the rose. With the rose, make her happy. Thank you. Here, take this. Is it a ticket? Yes. Can't wait to see the cinema. You never know what's gonna happen next in this game. That's why I like it so much. Alright, we can go in. Hahaha. Ooh.
You, where have you been?
Sorry?
The actor have some nerves. You don't know that everyone's been looking for you.
Oh, I'm in the play?
What are you doing just standing there? You're in 5 minutes. To the stage. Chop chop.
Okay, we're going on stage. Yes. This story takes place long ago. 20 years to be exact. It is a tale of Rue and Voo. And this is the first act.
Psst, get on stage.
What is this? I had to buy a ticket to be in my own show. This is Kat. She is 5 years old. Sorry. I'm not sure if I look 5. Kat! I am your mother. Time for bed, Kat. Kat? Would you like to hear a bedtime story? Kat, would you like to hear a bedtime story? What if we say no? I'll go with it. I would like to hear one. Here, how about a story about a mother, sheep, and her son? Yes. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a mother sheep and her ram son. This was Mommy's favorite story. But one day, a pack of wolves came and ate her son. Oh! Mother sheep was very sad, but also relieved. The end. We will now break for a short intermission. Good play. There's nothing this way. What about this way? Well, it looks like there's something here. Oh god, no more basements. What the actual fuck am I looking at? Oh no, I lost it. Benjamin is gonna be mad. Oh. What did you lose exactly? Oh, all rehearsing has been made me real hungry. Do you have anything I could eat? The egg? No thanks, I only eat sweets. Can't believe we still have the egg. Tell me that I'm beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you look great. I know. I don't need you to tell me that. I want some popcorn now, but I can't till the play is over. I wish I had some now, though. Have you seen our brother? Went to collect eggs a long time ago. I have an egg. No, go ahead, take the egg. I knew he wouldn't fail us. We're going to bake a cake. Yes, that's what everyone does between plays. Can you come by later? Oh, okay, if I want some. Alright. Okay, great audience, by the way. It's, How did it go?
The Sphinx. She's so nice.
But she looks so sad. I wonder if it's because she doesn't like roses. Yep, that's it. I sure miss my dad. Oh, there's a door there. Okay, I didn't see it. What is this? Hello? I can't talk to it. Nice. A musical monkey. Why does it look so frightened? A dollhouse. I've never seen this before. Alright, well, let's go back, I guess. There's a small coin inside Penny. Oh, great. Kendall. Alright, let's look for 2 more coins then. Crystal. Crystal Swan? What? Sydney. Did you like the play? Is that a swan? Oh yeah, he likes swans. Of course. Can I have it? Can't I? Yes. Wow, you're the best. Someone ruined my last one. Oh, I don't know who that could be. Thanks for the favor. Here, take this. Woo! We got a key. Yeah, I can't go inside the ticket booth anymore. Benjamin won't let me in. Ever since the cat ran away. Act 2 is about to begin. Please make your way to your seat. I love the music. It's so good. Alright, let's keep this play going. Whatever the fuck it is. I don't know, man. Oh, God.
You! Where have you been?
Sorry?
The actors have some nerve. Don't you know that everyone's been looking for you?
Really? Have they?
What are you doing just standing there? You're on in 5 minutes. To the stage. Chop chop.
This is Cat. Cat! Are you excited about having little brothers? Ahem. Cat. Are you excited about having little brothers? Yes. Of course you are. It's only natural. Please go and tell everyone. Tell them what? That is a door. The twins are coming. This might be difficult. Just stay. Everything will be better when we move. Mother! The city is wonderful. It's always summer here. There, sorry. Say goodbye to the seasons. Oh. Benjamin, what about the house? The house? The house is just a memory. Benjamin, I don't want to leave. I like the seasons. I don't want to leave them behind. But mother, the twins are coming. Why are you so selfish? Why are you always so selfish? What does your family mean to you? Benjamin, was that the door? Cat, where is Cat? All of this fighting between Mommy and Benny makes Cat very sad. And so, Cat decides to run away. What happens now? I don't know. We lost the rest of the script. The end. Bruce, I'm gonna have to end that episode there. I'm sorry. I'll see you in the next one. It'll probably be the last one. Alright? Thank you for watching. Stay awesome.